Hi guys, nothing can be as motivating as looking at the placement report of IIM Bangalore or any of the main IIMs ABC. So let's look at the placement report of 2023 batch. Number one, the problem is batch size is huge. Total PGP and PGDBA जोड़ के total 600 बच्चा है. अगर core MB की बात करो, so 500, 100, 500 plus students are there. For 500 students, 171 companies are coming, which is a good news as well because more companies का मतलब more variety, more options I have to choose from. Okay. If I look at the batch wise for placements point of view, highest, and this is the main advantage of going to IIM Bangalore or any of the main IIMs, that consulting is 42% batch. 40% of the batch is getting into consulting. तो अगर आपको consulting का interest है, 40% of the batch is going into consulting. That's I think the main biggest motivator. किसके लिए मुझे पढ़ना है ताकि मुझे ये जॉब मिल सके. If I compare this with the baby IIM, that number is around 10%. Here 40%. Banking financial sector 16%. Software is only 10%. And जबकि most of baby IIMs में the software is almost 20 to 25% batch is getting into software. Okay. यहाँ पे हमें आके अपना main advantage दिखता है for IIM Bangalore का और any of the main IIMs. We look at the cutoff as well in some time. And if I go for the average placement point of view, median salary is 32.5 lakhs and the average placement is 35.92. So with a 36 lakh ka average package, I think nothing can be more motivating than this. Fine. So let's work hard so that we can get a 30 lakh ka package. And trust me, that's the biggest motivation you can get. Yeah, 25 साल की उम्र में 24 साल की उम्र में अगर 36 लाख का पैकेज हमें मिलता है, तो I think that's the best thing we can do. All the best. If your target is IIM Calcutta or IIM ABC, and the main IIMs, for reserved category, your target should be 85 percentile per section, which is 20 marks in verbal, 13 marks in DI logic, 11 marks in quant, and overall score of 64-65 marks for reserved category, OBC, EWS, SC, ST, PWD. For general engineer male, so non-engineers, this is for the OBC reservation. For non-engineer, 90 percentile per section, which is 23 marks, 16 marks, 14 per section, and overall score of 75 plus. You can expect the call from ABC. Of course, it depends on 10-12 के marks बहुत कुछ, लेकिन main इन्होंने IIMs वाले मारते हैं for engineer, GEM, general engineer male. 95 percentile required per section, which is 30, 19, 17, overall score of 100 marks. So if you look at here, between a reserved category student and open category student, the cutoff difference is almost 50% more. You have to score 50% more than the reserved category student to get a call from IIM if you are a GEM. So ये आपके नंबर आपके सामने होने चाहिए for reserved category, for non-engineer and for engineer to get a call from ABC. All the best.